Goes following him.
The what?
The smooth ride goes between his legs.
Oh,
that's following you.
Okay.
Look at that yellow one.
Oh, it's smooth.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
Stay out
The
of
White
his-
House up there.
yellow and
I
red.
know. It's a resort, we think.
Dad, look at the yellow and the red speedboat.
That's cool. The yellow one's nice.
The red one's kind of nice too.
Oh,
Red and white one? Red
Yeah,
and white.
that's cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, they're both the same kind.
I just like the color.
Yeah, they both have the dual,
Oh, yeah.
the dual things.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I like the red and white color better.
Yeah, I do too.
Have a good.
Yellow looks like a big bee.
Yeah. Yeah, big bean, big
It's like a
banana.
banana.
How do you say that? Tsasdi? Tsasdi? The T silent?
And what are you talking about?
Tsasdi Resort?
Oh! Tsasdi. Tsasdi.
There's
Tsasdi. L-S-A-S-D.
Yes, the
Tsasdi, yeah.
Tsasdi, yeah, I was thinking T silent.
It's Spanish.
I don't know what it is.
That's Italian.
Yeah, I don't know. Italian and Spanish are usually pretty close, so.
They are. I don't know.
Yeah.
This looks like Italian.
I wave. Hello, Finley.
Isn't that way back?
I think it's Tsasdi.
That can't be. It looks like a house.
That's what I said.
Yeah,
I think it's
private.
right over there. That's the resort.
Yeah, that's the resort.
Yeah.
This is the house.
That doesn't look like
Somebody was saying, I'm like, I don't think so. I don't think it's like that at all. Otherwise, it would be the same color scheme. We're Oregonians, and you're an Oregonian. Why can't you wave to other Oregonians?
how do you know?
It says OR.
Oh, his license plate?
Uh-huh. The
Oh.
boat numbers.
Oh,
It
okay.
says OR and then the number, or CA.
Or it has a little tree in the middle.
No, that's a lot. That's not a boat thing. I don't know why it takes much. Ah, you fell on my foot. What if you drop the camera? Yeah, here comes the wave.
Really?
Just kidding.
That's a nice boat.
Oh, yeah.
Go.
Forte boat. Today, today, today.